kami ng package from Shopee. Siyempre, binili namin yan. Yan, ginagawa niyang board yung pintuan ng CR namin. Meron siya ditong chalk. Yan, eraser. Tapos ito yung whiteboard niya. Minsan na-istorbo siya kasi minsan may pumapasok sa CR, ganyan. Nahirapan siya. Kaya naisipan natin bumili ng sarili niyang board. Are you excited? Okay, let's go! Ano laman ito?
It's a...
What?
Ryan's room.
No! It's a surprise.
Surprise!
So, hindi nga alam ko ano yung laman neto, guys. Ito yung board na binili natin sa Shopee. Kasi nga, di ba, nagsusulat siya sa pintuan lang. Kaya, naisipan kong bumili ng... Excited! Bumili ng sarili niyang board. Dali lang.
It's a...
Surprise. Okay.
Done.
Set up. Okay. Wow. What's that?
It's a... Surprise.
Surprise. What is this?
It's a whiteboard.
It's a whiteboard? Ano ba? Okay. Wow. What's that? Wow. What's that? Look.
Wow.
What's that? Ah, we need to assemble it.
Stick.
Yeah, stick. It's a stand, I think. Oh. Okay.
It's a cross.
It's a cross?
Jesus.
Oh, hey. Wow, this is the board.
This is so...
What's that?
It's an ABC.
Okay, show the viewers.
I...
What's that? Okay. We have here alphabet, magnetic alphabet. Meron sa whiteboard. And meron dito blackboard. Go! What are you writing, Briley?
1.
1 ba yan? Wow! Oh, ano? Are you happy with your board, Briley? Ha? Hindi na siya makausap.
Why?
Yan, okay. So, enjoy mo na yung board mo. At least hindi na siya... what? 1. Wow, galing ah. At least hindi siya magsusulat sa pintuan and hindi na siya may istorbo. Meron na siya sa leading board. Yan. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope to see you on our next vlog. Kung gusto niyo pa ng mga ganitong unboxing video with us, please let us know. Thank you so much guys for watching.
Bye!